solve this, we're going to get a string value. We're going to say word or phrase. Let's say phrase because we're not limited to word. str the input a phrase. Okay, so after entering a phrase, we'll make sure to say if the len of phrase is equals to 0, then print out no entered. Okay, so here what we can use exit. So similar previously in here, when the program fails, what we're going to do here, we can just exit the program just to avoid issues. And then same with this one, we can just exit instead of us printing the value which is b0. So for this one, there are two ways we can do it. We can just print out direct the fact, so, or maybe, yeah, so here we can just print out direct answer because it's already starting from 1, so there's no need. So now here what we're going to do is, so if I'll just else, what are we going to do? What we're going to do, so for the first thing we said we're going to count the number of spaces. So to do this, we can just use a method to simplify the task. What we're going to do, we're going to find how many spaces are in the phrase. So we're going to say, we're going to declare a variable here, counter. So I'll name it counter equals to 0, and then here counter equals to counter is equals to, so we can say the string value, which is phrase, I suppose, then count. So this is an object, so this is an object, and then this is a method. So we're going to find, yeah, we're going to find the number of spaces. So if there's only one space, meaning it's one word. If there are two spaces, yeah, so we'll try to do that. Like, let's try to print the program. So right, oh wait, so now since we are used with what we've been doing, now let me just also evolve as well, so that now should be doing real stuff. And then here I'll put 0 dots command. So like that. Yeah, so let us test the program. You see how it works. So interface, maybe John is cooking. There are 3 words. So you can see here John, so there are 3 words. Let's try with 1 word, eat. one word. Okay. Just to make it look a bit cleaner when entering the values, we can just give some space here. Same here. So let's run it again. For that, clear the space. So okay, the thing hasn't. I want some space. Oh, we've done on the wrong place. So yeah, then voila, just in it. So here, what to do is John is my friend. Voila. So let's say we enter nothing, no center centered. All right. So that is it for that. And then now the number of characters. Counting the number of characters is easy because we can just use this same variable. We can reuse it actually. So we can say for e in phrase, then print. Actually, we can just count. First, let us reinitialize count here equals to 0 again, and then say counter. Each time it will be counter plus 1. So each time it finds a weight, it is going to count. So we're going to use a for loop, and then here we have that number of characters. All right, so that's fine. And the phrase, say John is my best friend, and say that. Okay, counter. Okay, there's no counter, so there's a problem there. So the problem is that here we wrote counter, then here we didn't put in. So we write our statement, John is my best friend. So you see here the number of weights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there's something wrong there. Let's try it again. It's my friend. No, it must be something wrong. Number of characters, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so including the spaces here, they're being counted. The number of spaces they're being counted as well. But why would it be? Let's try one. Okay. John, my best friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Yeah, so it works. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry for taking too long.